Hello dear friends. Once again welcome to our study of logical fallacies. In this video, we are going to study about Strawman argument. A strawman fallacy occurs when someone distorts another person's argument and then attacks the distorted version of the argument instead of the original argument. Let us try to understand this argument with the help of a few examples. Example 1. Person 1 said, I think pollution from humans contributes to climate change. Then person 2 responded by saying, so you think humans are solely responsible for extreme weather? What about volcanoes? Are we to blame for those too? You can clearly observe that the response of person 2 is an extreme interpretation of what person 1 has said. A right interpretation of person 1's argument may be understood as, there are so many reasons for climate change. Pollution from humans is one among them. But the response of person 2 is an extreme interpretation of what person 1 has said. That is why we say, the argument of person 2 is a strawman argument because he is not attacking the argument made by person 1, but a twisted one. Example 2. Person 1 said, I think we should install more security cameras in our building because of continuous thefts in the city. Then person 2 responded by saying, so you don't trust your neighbors. Oh, again, you can see that the response of person 2 is a complete misrepresentation of what person 1 has said. In fact, person 1 is not talking about trusting or not trusting the neighbors. His concern is to have more security to ensure their safety. But the interpretation of person 2 is completely a twisted interpretation. That is why we conclude that the argument of person 2 is a strawman argument, because he is not attacking the original argument made by person 1, but a twisted one. So, my friends, let us summarize the strawman fallacy. In a strawman fallacy, sometimes the opponent oversimplifies the original argument, and at some other times exaggerates the original argument. Sometimes the opponent will not take the whole argument into consideration. And at some other times, the opponent will take the original argument out of context and presents a fringe or extreme version of the original argument. So, I hope you understood what a strawman fallacy is. That's all we have for this lecture. Let us meet again in a different lecture with a different topic. Till then, take care. Bye.